How about personalization using AI? How well can AI know what's in your brain and experience base enough to customize how it crafts something for you specifically? And add to that, understanding the perspective of the person you're communicating with so that it speaks to their point of view and their perspective. Okay, here's where things break down a lot. So if you're going to go this route, go in with your eyes open. Let me share with you some of what I see as the pluses and minuses of relying on AI at its current evolution level, okay? So if what you want is a set it and forget it solution that will run virtually without your oversight or input, I would recommend against using AI to automate your outreach. It definitely isn't going to help you build trust and authority. And mostly it will have people scratching their heads. So I'm going to put that over in the minus column. Now, if you want to expand your awareness of content given specific subjects and are willing to engage and review, it can be eye-opening. I'm going to put that in the plus category. If you want to comment for the benefit, but you're not going to engage or monitor or even follow up personally if a follow-on question is asked, then it isn't going to necessarily help you very much. In fact, it's a clear sign that you've just put your outreach on autopilot, and people will learn that. No accessibility doesn't help with trust or authority, at least not today. Adding that to the minus camp. All right. Now, if you're okay with creating goodwill and encouraging others, the brown nosing that appears to be built into AI really helps with this. And quite frankly, I personally think it's amazing to spread the encouragement and accolades. It's empowering in ways that build relationships and influence. So for me, that's in the plus side. Now, if you want to be aware of influencers in your topics and what they're posting so you can post comments and start to be visible with them, then AI can definitely help with this, but it's a double-edged sword. And I would not recommend automating those posts. Just setting up your list of influencers and then set it so you must approve any comments before they're posted. That way you have a place you can go check what all the posts are and create your comments and put your best foot forward. So automated in the minus list, approve first on the plus side. In terms of engagement and visibility, over the last 120 days or so, I'm showing you my engagements per post and the increase that they've had. And my profile visibility has gone up as well by a pretty good factor. Overall, AI is not there in terms of providing the one-to-one personalization in ways that's better than what you can do based on your knowledge, experience, and relationship skills with people. And for sure, on-the-spot understanding and tailoring is essential, and AI can't add your secret sauce very easily. My overall message: learn how to combine your human expertise and intelligence with AI's insights. Right now, that could be the killer combo that yields dividends. And it's what we're implementing to Fun Advantage with clients who want to go from average marketing results to the zone of hypergrowth. And it can be done. So reach out if you'd like to explore what's possible in that realm. And as always, stay tuned as I continue to share my journey of leveraging AI for increased marketing effectiveness and results. I'll see you in the next video.